Why? 96% of total population is still struggling to stop their negative thinking, where 4% of population is completely engrossed to make their dreams come true and leading their life with full of luxury and happiness. मेहनत तो सब कर रहे हैं लाइफ में कुछ बड़ा करने के लिए, लेकिन कभी कर पाते हैं, कभी नहीं कर पाते. But why these 4% people are very certain about their success? The secret behind them is the power of visualization, which makes the whole difference. And visualization means to see the final results in advance, and not only to see, but to feel it, but to experience and hear the sounds of final achievements in advance. And if it is done very scientifically, you are not believing that your brain is wired in such a way that your every single decision, your choice of action, your mannerism will take you towards your goal, and that's how you will become so certain about your success. And I discovered power of visualization in the standard 12th while preparing for the merit. And that was the time I was not aware, is there any scientific concept is like that or some psychological theory is working on it. But I used to dream every night, once I'm into the merit list, what is the experience of myself and what is the reaction of my parents, how they will scream, how they will hug, and the whole day party, and the next day my name is in the newspaper and the interview will be there. Every night I used to visualize it. And in the month of May, everything has happened in the same way. And since then, without too much awareness, I used to visualize, and every time I got into the merit list, and that's how my complete life, my health, my relationship, my professional success, my finances, everything is designed on the visualization process. And today, world-class athletes, leaders, business executives, all are working on this process, and that's how they are becoming very certain about their success. So this Saturday, I'm bringing with all the practical training how to do it for your desired goals, about your health, about relationship, about finances, about profession, whatever you conceive in your mind, you can manifest it. So my request to you, join this workshop, register yourself to learn all the practical and scientific aspects of power of visualization and make your dreams come true. Thank you so much. See you there.